Hi guys, how are you all doing? Yesterday I promised you I was going to bring to you a video of an event that I attended over the week. During the week, on Wednesday to be precise, I was privileged to be among the few invited for a YouTube event. That event is tagged Creators Meet Brands. You know, YouTube is a very good platform, a veritable platform for creators to showcase their talent and to make a living. YouTube wants every creator to grow, and in that light they organized an event where they brought in the brands and the creators for us to meet, to network, and to see how we can collaborate, work together for mutual benefit. And that event was highly educating and exciting event. In this video you are not going to be seeing everything that transpires there. It's not possible though, but you are going to be seeing the soundbite, sight and sound of everything that went down on that very event. A lot of super amazing creators were there and so on. And in that event, at the end of that event, we were given this a lot of goodies contains in this very bag, and one of them is this, is a flask and a regulator. Ambience was just too much, too exciting, so thrilling that we don't even want to leave. So just sit back, relax and enjoy this video, especially if you are following this channel and you are a creator yourself. You need to see this video, and if you haven't been to any YouTube event, strive hard to ensure that at least you attend one or two YouTube events. It's always very interesting and full of fun and a lot to learn. Sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Thank you.
Take all my mind, take all the joy now. Take me down, take all the love now. Tie me away, but be alive now. Make me know right now. Why you wanna lock me away? I'm winning, you wanna add to my fame. I'm shining, you wanna come to my face. I'm dealing with nothing, we're not the same, no, no. So why you wanna try me? Can't try me. I'll take challenge me, try to distract me. Today's a moment of place for you. That's why my heart and every time to get. Now you watches all. That's why my heart and every time to get. Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me?
You will now answer me when Igboya says, only you have put my picture on the screen, so in case they didn't get the menu. Good evening, ladies and and gentlemen, why you always cover your nose and your eyes? You don't want us to know where you are the one, Mr. Aguda. Do you know the meaning of Aguda in Yoruba land? Ajaguda. Oh my God, you guys look super amazing. Please, can you put your hands together for YouTube for putting together such an incredible evening where creators meet brands. Technically, I think it's safe to call it where creators meet check. If you agree with me, let me see your hands in the air. This is where creators meet check. This is where you know what you earn, how you earn it. There are some people that they are just sitting next to you casually. But they carry cash. I want to be like Shell, for example. There's a reason is that they put you on this.
So welcome to this evening. We're very, very delighted to have you here. We're excited about our creators. You know we engage with you on a regular basis, and we love how you're using digital to create magic across multiple verticals, comedy, lifestyle, music, food, different forms of content. And we know that content is king. It's through content that we tell our stories, that we show our creativity, that we just share a lot about who we are with the rest of the world. And at YouTube, at Google, we're very committed to ensure that your experience on the platform continues to be positive, and not just that, that you're successful from every perspective. So successful in terms of broadcasting yourself, and also successful in terms of monetization, hard currency that Kiki was talking about. A few weeks ago, we had a Raise a Voice event, which was just really supporting female content creators on the platform. We have a number of events on an ongoing basis to just really make sure that we're giving you the tools and just everything that you need to be successful on the platform. So once again, welcome to the creators in the room, and also welcome to the brands. There are some amazing brands here. We're also very excited whenever we see either an organization or an individual doing something amazing with digital, we get really excited. So we love what our brands have been doing. And this evening, bringing creators together with these amazing brands, we're expecting magic. And as Kiki said, I know she said it tongue-in-cheek, but hey, we're looking forward to some amazing marriages from this evening between brands and creators, and we will be happy to showcase and celebrate those marriages, especially if they bear fruit. And they will bear fruit. Because we have some great examples already of marriages between brands and creators that have borne amazing fruit. And this is really important because when we think about the mission that a number of our brands have around reaching consumers in a more engaging way, rather than starting from scratch, it makes a lot of sense to connect with a creator that has already invested a lot in building traffic, in generating over 30 million views and the likes, and getting a head start and just really leveraging what already exists to build momentum. And I'm going to share some great examples of brands that have done this. So Voxy leveraged
new culture in food or showcasing the lifestyle and everyday living of a worried girl.
Hi everyone, my name is Austin Betha. I'm a content creator here on YouTube. I review reality TV shows on my first channel called Austin Betha. I also create food, travel and general lifestyle content on my other channel called Betha's Corner. With my audience who are mostly Gen Zs and a little bit of the millennials, I'm open to working with any brand that is out to engage my